how to use chopstick, but we will have to improvise. So guys, it's ready. What is the name of that one?
Strawberry mango.
Oh, actually down there. Oh my god. And now, hi guys, welcome to this video. As the title suggests, we are going to explore the nightlife of Kuala Lumpur. I'm already ready. I've already ordered my cab. I want to show you guys my outfit. I saw there's a lot of cute street foods in those markets, so it's actually on Saturday in Malaysia, but my body is still in Kenyan time. I'm just gonna go and see. It's around midnight, so I'm just gonna try and go and see if the people are still on or they're going to sleep. But you know, tomorrow is on a Sunday, so I expect to find people in the market. So I think it's here, wherever. Is it here?
No, not the side. Left side. Yeah, you want here also can, but you the last lah. This is first lah.
Okay. I think our market has started from here. We're going on that other side, like that area. So guys, we are here. There's a lot of food, like a lot of options. I don't even know where to start. My friend, I'm so ready to eat. I did not have anything today, so there's a lot of food in here. I don't know where to start. But I have to start from somewhere, you know. So they're like written. This is curry beef, curry chicken, curry honey. Okay. There's a lot of food. Curry chicken, golden dried meat. Oh. Hello. Can I have one? I'm just gonna test one. No, I don't know. But the view is amazing. Oh. What is this? Chicken. How much? Okay, let me have that too. This is like sausage? Okay. I'm trying to test something that I've never tasted. Cha-cha stew chicken. I don't know what is this. Honey chopstick. Guys, that's a lot, and we've just tried one person, so I think we should maybe keep exploring. But in the meantime, let me test this chicken, this type of chicken. I've never had this. So guys, it's ready. Is it yours? Okay, so let me find somewhere to eat, or I don't know. Let me just find a place to eat. I think I need a drink too, but they're gonna be a lot. So the choices are a lot. Like, it's even confusing. Can I have this one? Yeah. You just choose the colorful one. So in this situation, you just choose the colorful one. I don't know why the phone is flickering. But yeah, I asked for this. I don't even know how much is it. I think it's chop. Chop. In Kenyan shilling, that is wait, chop is a lot. Somewhere there. So like literally getting prepared. Oh, from fresh juice. amazing. I need this in my country. What is the name of that one?
Strawberry
Strawberry?
mixed fruit.
Okay. That is mango? Okay.
Habis.
I'm still finding somewhere to sit and, eat. So people just eat and leave the table. I guess I'm gonna sit here. I don't know if it's allowed or you have to eat from them, but let me just sit. So you cannot sit where you have not bought something. So I don't know where to sit because let me see where I will sit. You have to sit where you bought things. Hello. Is there a free space I can sit?
You can go and sit.
Hmm?
You can sit there. Backside.
Okay, thank you. I had to go back to where I bought my food and ask for a place to sit because I mean we have to test this. So guys, somebody said Malaysia is like the city of lights, and that is very true. So let us taste the drink. It's more of mango than strawberry. So let's test this food. Tastes so good. One thing I've realized with Malaysia is that they cook very delicious food. I don't know which spice they use, like okay. Now let's test their fried chicken. I'm loving it, guys. Every day I'm getting different tastes. Like it's tastes that I can't even explain to you guys because it's new in my mind, in my body, in my everything. So some of these tastes I can't be able to explain. We don't have those tastes where I come from, so I can't explain. It's a new taste in my body. But I just like how can I put it? When you bite it, it's like bacon, and as you go on, the taste of chicken comes in, Yeah. So I'm having really enjoying my life, and the view, guys, it's 2 a.m. The view is something else. I want to finish so that I can continue exploring these foods. Oh, too bad, guys. I think they are closing. I will definitely come back. Let me try and see if I find something else. I've realized I'm taking this drink a lot and I'll get full, so I've stopped taking it. But I'm trying to find another type of food. So, oh god, what is this? Chicken popcorn. Okay. I'm trying to find where they are not closing because I'm a slow eater and I don't want to eat in hurry. So such. Which one is sweet? Which fish is sweet?
Fish sweet.
Which one is good?
It's not.
Red one?
Yeah.
Okay. That? Guys, this is like street food. Whatever.
45. 45, 60 cents.
Okay.
Then 55 ringgit.
Okay, it's fine.
Okay, yeah. So you want grill or fried?
I want yeah, grill.
Yeah, you want spicy or
Spicy?
medium or medium spicy?
Mild.
Not too much.
Yeah.
It's same like this. This pizza.
Should be like that. Wait, can I get something else like rice or it's just yes?
You can eat spicy.
Small spicy.
More spicy, yeah.
Like I will eat the fish with what? Just fish? There's no accompaniment?
And the rice.
Yeah, rice. Can I get rice? When it's ready.
And rice.
Yeah, like that with rice. Yeah, thank you. I pay or I pay when I get it. Anyway guys, this is like street seafood. I'm trying to find somewhere to sit. So guys, here is my food. Fish and rice. Guys, I think I'm full. I'm not even like halfway done, but I'm not a big fan of fish. Yeah, so I think I'm full. There's a bar over there. I'm going there to have a drink or two, and then we call it a night. This is the kind of beers we want in Nairobi. I think this is 1 liter. Oh God, if you get this, by the time we're done, you see 640 ml. The normal beer is like 250, 300, 500. So, and the glass is very small. So by the time we're done, hello. Can I have this one? Yeah.
One portion daring.
Okay. I have ordered the chicken dumplings. I don't even know what is that. And noodles, because I saw people saying that these noodles are delicious. So let's see. It's like okay, it's like samosa. Right? It's in the taste kama samosa, a dumpling. I cannot wait. I'm a lover of noodles, so I cannot wait to taste these noodles. But for now, let's taste the noodles. My life of me, I've never used chopstick or I don't know how to use chopstick, but you know, we will have to improvise. It's so delicious, guys. Like I don't know how to eat though. I don't know how to eat with chopsticks. But let's see. That's so good. 10 over 10, 10 over 10. One thing I've realized with Malaysian people is that they know how to cook. You guys, I'm not even exaggerating. They know how to cook. There's a lot of food in that place, but a lot of them, they're not my type. But yeah, I love the fact that the food is delicious and the food is fresh. I think from this area we can get like a good view of the market. Like I was literally down there. Oh my god. And now I'm here. This is amazing. I didn't see this part of the market. Like this is like the fruits area, and it's very huge because like it's from all the way from there. Then I came from there. So yeah, I'm looking for something to drink. Yeah. Now guys, we're heading to the Pavilion Mall, and I thought I should show you guys the streets, how they look like. Yeah, I'm enjoying every minute of my life in this city. Man, this place looks amazing. Like every corner, it just looks wow. So let's go to Pavilion. Oh, this is the Pavilion Mall. I feel like this needs we have Sephora over there. Pavilion Mall. And as I told you guys, we don't have a lot of black people in whatever in here. So yeah,